It's candy! Lollipops! I love them! More candy! Come on! Who is that? Hi, Sweet Tooth! Let's start the game! You have to find all the edible stuff just like this marker and eat it. And when you get out of the room, you get a prize. It could literally be anything. Found it? No. Anything? Fine. Look at me. I'm a superhero. Maybe there's a hint in a comic book. There's nothing. But the comic book is edible. Yum! Make a rectangle out of pre-made gingerbread dough. Bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Wait for it to cool and apply glaze. Attach a printed edible comic book cover. Cut off the excess edges.
Oh.
Finally! Congrats! Nothing in here. What about this? Nah. Come on. What are they doing? They don't stand a chance. Enough! I'm done. Let's take a break. We should turn it off.
Huh?
No, don't do that. The remote doesn't work. What? It's edible. Awesome. Well done. You found another treat. I also want to play. Give it back. I want to pick the next game. It's Mortal Kombat. What have you done? Place parchment paper on a picture of a CD and apply chocolate glaze. Cover it with a printed picture of a game logo while it's still wet. Remove the excess glaze after it hardens. Rub in edible pearl dust on the back. It's chocolate! Yum! We won't get out of here! Time flies! You have 10 minutes left! What do we do?
Oh!
Let's change the clock! The arrows aren't moving! Let's try it! Place 2 rows of wafers and connect them with melted glaze. Coat them with glaze and wrap them in fondant. Attach a printed edible dial and add a black fondant frame. Yeah! We didn't waste time!
Oh!
Looks yummy! Ew! Gross! Workouts help with stress. Try it! Fine! My hand! It's chocolate! The barbell is edible! That's nuts! It actually is! We're totally gonna win! I'm exhausted! I don't have any more energy! Hey! No more sitting around! Let's go play and have fun! Nah! Please! A battery! It's just what you need when you are running out of energy! Shape a chocolate like a battery. Wrap it in foil and attach a printed battery picture. Make a few pieces. Whoa! Try it! You need a boost. I'm not sure it'll help. Okay, I'll try it. Whoa! The chocolate batteries work like a charm. More? Yeah! You'll never find all the edible objects. I am so him! I'm about to knock him out! The wire! Hey, what are you up to over there? Stacy, don't do that! It's edible! Nice job! Congrats! Stacy, you are smart! Oh, the cactus is real! Stacy, don't touch it! It's actually kind of dry. Let's add some soda. Ready to start? Now it's really delicious. Is this edible? We need a plan. I know. Oh, an edible light bulb. That's my idea. I want it too. One piece down.
Oh.
Yay! What's in the boxes? A phone. It's not working. Smells good. It's so yummy. Did you finish the phone? I'm calling you. What's buzzing? Is there a phone in your stomach? Hold on. What's under the cushion? That was my phone buzzing. Mr. Sweet's calling. Hello. We're getting closer to victory. Awesome. I caught a wave. Hi, Stacy. I'm leaving. The door is stuck. Whoops. Oh, could you be careful? The handle is good, though. It was a dream! Did you like my game? Comment down below and hit the like button. Stacy, did you actually eat the door handle? We need an escape plan. We have to sneak up to the door. What is it? The sketch is wrong. I'll fix it. The eraser isn't working. Of course. It's also edible. Try it.
Huh?
Thanks. We should probably use the window. Nothing. No.
Oh.
Looks like veggies. Well done. You found everything. Should we try it? Ew! The pepper is real. Of course. Veggies are good for you. A carrot?
No.
The meter hasn't changed. Why did we eat that? I found a bat.
Oh.
Give it to me. No way. It's a real bat. We'll break this wall. What are you doing? Are you out of your mind? Wrong wall. We're gonna fix it. I'm giving up. It's useless. Is the door unlocked? Run! Do we have to go through this? It's caramel! Go! We're out! Here's the prize! It's full of money! It's a money cake! Place pre-made sponge cakes to shape a rectangle. Apply a layer of buttercream icing. Put on another layer of sponge cake. Coat all the sides with buttercream. Wrap the cake in fondant and attach an edible printed picture of cash. Place the cake in a case. Delicious! Congratulations to the winners! Your prize! I'm done! No more candy! What? We're leaving!
Huh?
They didn't even want the money! So weird! Whatever! Don't give up and you'll win for sure!